Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing my first impressions on this L'Oreal Infallible concealer. I'm going to try this for so long, and I've actually included this on one of my Priceline haul. If you guys haven't watched that video yet, I will actually put the link down in the description box below. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to find out what my first impressions are of this L'Oreal Infallible concealer and how it works on my skin, please keep on watching. From Priceline, guys, and I did purchase them when they did had them on sale, and I've actually picked a couple of shades, as I'm not quite sure yet if these two are gonna be the right shades for my under eyes. So I've actually picked the 328, which is the biscuit shade, and the 333, which is the cedar shade. So the cedar shade's actually a darker shade, so as you can see it's a very creamy formula. I got an applicator that comes with it. It actually the actual container is actually made from plastic, guys, and it doesn't have any scent to it also. So this biscuit's actually a little bit lighter, so that's the shade. And on this it doesn't say, okay, it doesn't really give much information on the actual bottle, much they retail for. So in Australia they actually retail for $29.95 Australian dollars. Do come in 18 different shades. In the US you can actually get this from Ulta, so it's retail for $13.49 US dollars. Coverage concealer with a natural matte finish, super blendable formula with a large dough applicator for all over application. It's also stated here that whatever your concern, blemishes, dark circles, and even skin tone, we've got you covered with this new modern concealer. So you can actually use this to brighten, to correct, to contour, and to highlight. Use both of these shades together, and I've actually started blending it on my finger. It's actually very pigmented, guys. It's very soft, it's got a very smooth texture, and it's a very pigmented formula. So, and it's easy to blend. So when I was blending it on my finger, it actually blends really smoothly and evenly. I even use it as a eye primer also. Ending up using the darker shade on my skin, which is the cedar. I've actually find it because it's actually my first time to use the concealer as my base on my face. I was very amazed, guys. I was so amazed that this concealer actually so pigmented that you can actually use it as your base. It even covers this because this was a really red pimple that I've got in here. It actually covers it as well, guys. I got a very lightweight formula when I've actually used it all over my face, and also got that full coverage, guys. I actually didn't even do a second application on this concealer on my face because they was that pigmented, guys. And as you can see, that's the concealer that I've got on my face now, guys. Use the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. This is the one I've actually set using under my eyes, on my eyes, and all over my face. And this is actually one of the setting powder, I'm currently loving it. So if you guys haven't seen my using only e.l.f. products first impressions and review, I will put the link down the description box below, guys, if you guys haven't watched it yet, and I highly recommend it for you guys to watch it. I've actually used the LA Girl Pro Prep primer on my face, and then with the bronzer I've actually used the MAC bronzing powder. This was actually given by my sister. I've actually quite liked it actually. It's not that a really matte finish, but it's got that a little bit of satin finish to it, but it's not overpowering, but I really love it. So this is called the Refined Golden Bronzing Powder. With that bronzer, I've also used that to apply it on my eyelid today, and also a little bit on my under eyes. Blush, I've actually used this e.l.f. blush palette, and the shade that I've used is this shade here. So yeah, this is also pigmented, guys. So it's also one of it's also part of that e.l.f. makeup product first impressions review that I've also filmed. And then on the highlighter, I've actually used the Makeup Geek Daybreak. So this is like a really nice shade, guys, but unfortunately it's no longer available on the Makeup Geek website. And the lashes that I've got on today, actually my first time to use this, are actually from Daiso. So I was really happy with because I was looking for some products from Daiso the other day, and they've actually got all these nice and amazing lashes that they currently have them on stock. And I'm actually quite like these lashes, because it's not, you see, because I like it, you know, with more gaps on the lashes. So and they're actually very comfortable and easy to apply under my eyes. After I set it, it actually felt very light, even though it was a very pigmented formula. It's a very lightweight on my skin after I've applied it and after I put the setting powder. And yeah, I feel like my skin is very healthy upon after the application after applying that concealer as my base. These concealers is, guys, I actually very impressed with these concealers. I mean, they're super pigmented, guys. They're $29.95 each, but they're actually worth it to buy, guys, because aside from using it under your eyes, you can even use it as your base. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out today to save some money. You know, if you guys looking for a new concealer, I recommend it for you guys to try this L'Oreal Infallible concealer, or if you just wanted to use it as your base. In that way you'll be able to save money also, and it's also very easy to carry because it's actually a very small packaging. Comment down below what video you want to watch next, and thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.